welcome back to my channel. As you all know that we have got a new update from YouTube. So all YouTube creators may be known about this update that we need to pay tax for US country. So yes guys, this is the bad news, but we just wanted to follow the rules as the YouTube has sent us mail. So we need to do the process as soon as we can. So this is the mail that I have got on March 8, I suppose, March 8 or 9. So if you just come back to the dashboard of your YouTube channel, you can just see a pop-up like this. So this is the thing that we just got a pop-up, and if you just click on get started, you'll get a full information about this update. Okay, just read it carefully and you will get to know what is about. So for that we just need to do few steps to just get this clear. So go for AdSense and then just sign up with your AdSense account. As my account is already signed up in my device, so it automatically opens up. So this is my Google AdSense account. So you can just see a yellow color pop-up right here. So you can either do from here, or else if you don't find this, you can also have on the notification option. So you can also do the same process from that. So click on manage tax info. If you just click on that, you'll get an interface like this. So if you just see that add tax info blue icon, just click on that and it asks you for the verification. Just give your password of your mail. After giving the password, just click on submit and it automatically give you an form. So this is the first form, that is your account is individual account or business account. So most probably everyone account will be as individual, so click on individual. As mine is individual, so I just clicked on individual. And the next one is, are you a citizen of US? I'm not citizen of US, so I just clicked on no. And then select the first button if you are the individual account, or else if you maintain the business account, click on the next one. And now click on next and you'll have another page like this. So you can find that the first one is the name of the person, and the second option you just leave that and give your country, that is India. As mine is India, just give India. And then if you just come down, it asks us for foreign TIN. Foreign TIN is nothing but PAN card number for India. Okay, so if you are from India, please to enter the PAN card number in a clear way. So please don't make any mistakes here, right here. So you'll face few issues if you just do wrong. So give the PAN card number correctly. The second one is for US, just leave it off. Just click on next and enter your address. Give your address as per your AdSense account address. Before you have given your AdSense account, right, account details, right, in that you have been given that information. Just give that and click on that checkbox. And now you can find the tax treaty. So the first one is, just click on yes and then click on the checkbox. So please do follow the same process, and the country is India. So please be very point to this notifications and the process also, so that you can find the correct information. And just click on the first checkbox and select Article 7 and 0% reduced rate. Okay, after that just go down and click on the first checkbox, second checkbox. So you can find the another box called select Article 12 and now select 15% reduced rate. After selecting this, just click on the next checkbox and the next checkbox, which is called other copyright YouTube Google Play, and now select Article 12 and 15 reduced rate. Okay, after selecting all these, please be careful you enter the correct details that I have given right here, and then click on that checkbox and just click on next. So you'll be getting another pop-up or the page. So you can just see the form that we have filled right here, an overview of your form. So this is your form. Just click on that I confirm and then click on next. After clicking on next, you will be getting another session of work, a bit of small work. This will be going to complete easily and give you a signature as your PAN card name such. Okay, and after that click on yes, I am the person, and now click on next. After clicking on next, so you can find that activities and services performed in the US is click on no and then click on checkbox. So next one is you just wanted to select that if you just get any payment before, you just select the second one, because this is my first payment still not yet got, so I just clicked on first one. Okay, if you get any payment, please do check to the second option. As I did not get any payment till now, I just selected the first one. And now after clicking on next, you can find this overall manage info, tax info. So you can find out here, yes, the first one has been claimed, second one has been claimed, and the service is also been claimed. So the status is approved. So the work is done, and that's it for the session. Hope it is helpful.